Hey Amazon sellers, struggling with 0 impressions on your ads? Let's turn that around. So you launched your Amazon PPC campaign expecting traffic and sales, but instead, crickets. No impressions, no clicks, no sales. Why? Here are 5 hidden reasons and how to fix them. First, your bids might be too low. Amazon ads run on a bidding system. If your bid is too low, your ad won't enter the auction. Fix, check the suggested bid range and increase slightly. Second, another product might be stealing impressions. Amazon only shows one variation per keyword. Fix, check your advertised product report to see which variation is getting traffic. Third, you might have accidentally negated your keyword. Fix, double check your negative keywords to ensure you're not blocking key terms. Fourth, your product might not be eligible for ads. Fix, check your campaign manager's products tab for red flags. Lastly, your keyword might not be relevant. Amazon prioritizes relevance. Fix, optimize your title, bullets, and back-end search terms for better keyword alignment. Pro tip, run an auto campaign to see which keywords Amazon associates with your product, then refine your manual campaigns accordingly. Don't let invisible ads kill your sales. Fix these issues today and start winning on Amazon.